In a recent development, Airbus has announced that engines installed on its popular A320neo aircraft must undergo immediate inspection and removal due to concerns about defective materials. This precautionary measure aims to ensure passenger safety and mitigate potential operational disruptions. As the aviation industry continues to prioritize safety and quality, this inspection process highlights the importance of proactive maintenance practices in guaranteeing smooth and reliable flight operations. More than 1,000 Airbus jet engines will need to be removed from passenger planes and inspected to check for microscopic cracks over the coming months, according to engine manufacturer Pratt & Whitney. The engine builder's parent company RTX Core, formerly Raytheon Technologies, revealed in a press release that a rare condition in powdered metal used to build PW1100 engines produced to power Airbus's twin-engine mid-size A320neo model jets between 2015 and 2021 meant that 1,200 of more than 3,000 units need to be taken out and examined for microcracks that would indicate accelerated fatigue. The issue would also affect engines used in Airbus A321neo models. According to Reuters, Pratt & Whitney discovered microscopic contaminants in the powdered metal that was used to manufacture the high-pressure turbine discs that constitute part of the PW1100's engine core. Pratt & Whitney has determined that a rare condition in powder metal used to manufacture certain engine parts will require accelerated fleet inspection, RTX Core said in a press release. During a call with analysts, RTX Core COO Christopher Kallio explained that the impurities found in these production materials might shorten the lifespan of affected engine components. Of the 1,200 potentially faulty engines, 200 must be inspected by mid-September due to the amount of time they've already spent in service. The rest will need to receive inspections in the next 9 to 12 months. In order to swap out these turbine discs, the engines need to be removed from each plane, disassembled, and then reassembled with the replacement parts in place, a process that CEO Greg Hayes said could take up to 2 months. A source familiar with the issue said the problem is not an immediate safety issue. RTX began notifying customers about the problem last week, the person said. In June, defense contractor Raytheon Technologies Corporation officially changed its name to RTX Corporation. The engine issue caused RTX to reduce its 2023 cash flow forecast by $500 million to $4.3 billion as inspections occur, while the company increased its 2023 sales expectation from $73 billion to $74 billion, compared with its prior forecast of $72 billion to $73 billion. RTX and Pratt & Whitney's former parent, United Technologies, merged in 2020. U.S. customers for the Pratt engines include Delta Airlines, JetBlue Airways, Spirit Airlines, and Frontier. A Delta spokesman told The Messenger the airline expects no operational effects for its fleet of 35 A321neo aircraft at this time. Also, Wednesday, Airbus said it had delivered 316 commercial aircraft in the first 6 months of the year and targets 720 for 2023 and an adjusted profit of €6 billion, $6.7 billion. The company is progressing toward a rate of 75 A320 family aircraft, its top seller, in 2026. Airbus arch rival Boeing is also seeking to raise output of its single-aisle 737 MAX lineup to 38 per month and then 50 per month in 2025 or the following year. Boeing, on Wednesday, reported deliveries of 136 aircraft in the second quarter and 266 so far in 2023. Overall, Boeing says it's targeting as many as 530 aircraft deliveries this year amid a 4,800 plane backlog. Major customers that bought Airbus A320neo jets with PW1100G JM engines during the timeframe, also known as the Geared Turbofan or GTF engine, include Spirit Airlines, JetBlue Airways, and Wizz Air, according to Cerium data. This situation does not impact engines currently being produced, and Pratt & Whitney will continue to deliver both new engines and new spare parts across all product lines. This is a result of the combination of extensive improvements that were made to our powder processing to remove possible contamination sources and the deployment of enhanced inspections for improved detection. Pratt & Whitney is working to minimize operational impacts and support our customers. This is obviously a difficult situation for our customers, especially given the strong demand for travel. We're truly sorry for the impact of this disruption, and we'll do all we can to support our customers. If you found today's video informative, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications for future updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on the recent news about Airbus A320neo engines. Let us know your opinions and any questions you may have in the comment section below. Your engagement is valuable to us.